iPhone screen time not blocking apps are showing weird numbers? Let's fix it in under a minute. First, open Settings, then tap Screen Time. Make sure Screen Time is actually turned on. If you use family sharing, check that you're on the right device and managing the right family member's screen time. Now tap App Limits. If limits look fine but apps never lock, your screen time passcode might be the problem. Go back, then tap Downtime. If downtime is off, your scheduled breaks and app limits may not kick in as expected. Also check Always Allowed. Apps in this list can ignore most limits, so remove anything you still want blocked. Next, tap Use Screen Time Passcode. If you forgot it, choose Change or Forgot Passcode and reset it with your Apple ID. If screen time data looks wrong, scroll down and confirm Share Across Devices is turned on for all your Apple devices. Still not working? Turn screen time off, restart your iPhone, then turn screen time back on and recheck your limits. For stubborn bugs, go to Settings, tap your name, then sign out and sign back in to refresh your Apple ID in Screen Time Sync. If nothing helps, you can reset all screen time settings by turning it off completely and setting it up from scratch. Now your iPhone screen time should finally behave. Save this video and share it with someone whose apps still never seem to lock.